Can you hear that? Good morning and welcome to a new vlog. When you see the title, you already know what I'm gonna do. The Davensong challenge, skating without bushings. But for now, let's start off with some awesome slow motion shots at this little table over there. Yeah, that's what's up in Swiss skate parks. Nobody's really skating. I know, I'm always doing crookeds and no slides. Well, it's pretty high though. Look at this. It's almost as high as my board. No, it's not. So my biggest problem here still, it's not stable at all. Hey, look at this, it's so dangerous. Usually the table is here, and do you know what's the biggest problem with that table? You can't really see where to jump because of that hole here. It really fucked me up on trying a fakie half-cut manual. Found some trucks on which I'm gonna do the Davensong challenge. I used that board for another project which never went online because of the reason, like a week later John Hill uploaded something like this and it just didn't work as well. Oh yeah, and those are the worst trucks you probably have ever seen. They're broken here, they even have holes in it. I tried some different projects with it. You probably ask yourself, why am I not using my normal trucks? I just don't want to mess up my own settings. Yeah, I really have no idea how Davensong is doing this, but it's hilarious. Can you hear that? I don't really think he's skating like this. There must be another bushing or something. We'll see what I'm gonna do. So I've just seen on Daven's video his trucks don't really move, at least not like this. I'm pretty sure that one part of the bushings is still in his trucks, but still I want to try some tricks like this. I don't think it's possible actually. The sound is hilarious. I'm just not sure which part it is exactly. I'm trying it with the first one, with the bigger one. I think it's gonna work. Okay, I added the bushing on each side now. It's still pretty loose, but it feels way different. It feels way better, I think. I think that's exactly how Davensong skates. Now it's actually even possible to do tricks on it. I think I can skate that normal. Alright, I'm gonna try a tray flip now. And he's the filmer. Yeah, of course it works now. It's like a normal skateboard now, just a little more difficult. It's still like really loose. actually. That's how you can get speed bubbles. Like, it is way different. I can't really explain what's happening here, but my board feels lighter than before somehow. It's crazy somehow. I don't feel a huge of a difference, but still it's just weird. I feel like it's too hard on that big table. I want to go to another skate park with some just small stuff and I can try to do some slides and grinds. Thank you for the filming. Awesome. Thank you for the filming as well. So we're back in H-Town now, in the H-Town disco. Alright, let's try this board. At least on that rail I want to do a feeble. I don't really feel like this is possible. Let's see a feeble. Let's just give it a try. So flipping definitely doesn't work. I can't really flip it that high that I could do a manual. I'm pretty sure it works on a ledge as well, like through some normal tricks especially. I don't think I can do any flip-ins or flip-outs. So the biggest problem that I have with these trucks, it's just not stable somehow. Yeah, I have to admit I don't really have a mission, I just want to ride around. I just hope that the police doesn't see me, because it's really not allowed in Switzerland. I think you will get a ticket here. I'm looking forward to get my Lou board next week, but this one is still like, if you want to drive fast, this is the thing to go. You just don't want to travel around with it, it's so heavy. Actually, you don't want to walk with it, that's the thing. Yeah, I told you yesterday that I'm not talking about electric skateboards anymore, and I'm still doing it. Yeah, I have to set up my board again. I thought I'm gonna do it here with this beautiful light. I love to do a drone shot now. Unfortunately, my drone is coming in like 10 or 12 days. Yeah, maybe even more, I don't know. Yeah, right, that was such an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and hopefully we'll see each other tomorrow for some more awesomeness. I don't know what's going on tomorrow, but it will be cool. See you guys tomorrow.